The Complete Stochastic Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it. The chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and drag the file onto the chart. Run the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the Comments section and then click the Confirm button. When the indicator is run on the chart, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. The Complete Stochastic Indicator is an advanced and detailed version of the classic stochastic indicator that separates its indicators and displays them on the oscillator. The blue line is the stochastic line, the green line is the D-stochastic line, and the orange line is the slowing stochastic line. The green line, which is the D line, smooths the stochastic, and the orange line smooths the D below 20, and the blue line crosses above the D and slowing lines predict bullish. In the 80 range, overbought, and the blue line crosses below the D and slowing lines predict bearish. Display settings include template modes, light theme, dark theme, and custom. When the indicator moves below the level of 20 and the blue line crosses above the D and slowing lines, we predict a bullish trend. On the other hand, when it's in the 80 range, indicating overbought conditions, and the blue line crosses below the D and slowing lines, we predict a bearish trend. In the settings section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings, including the indicator's template, which has 3 modes: light theme, dark theme, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. In the input section, there are options available for us, with the first part related to the display settings. The indicator has a template option that comes in 3 modes: light theme, dark theme, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. And by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only applies the indicator to the chart. The next section is about the indicator settings. You can adjust the K period settings from this part, change the slowing period settings, and modify the D period settings from here. The next part allows you to show or hide the K period line and the D period line, which you can change from this section. Now I'll select the dark template and disable the K period line, and then I'll hit confirm. Alright, my template has changed to dark, and my stochastic is displayed on the chart. I choose the one with the plate and I deactivate the period line and then click OK. Well, my friends, my template has changed to a dark color and my stochastic is displayed on the chart. Traders can use this indicator with crossing D and slowing lines, or K line from D and slowing can signal buy or sell. D line crossing above slowing is an entry point. D line crossing below slowing is an exit point. We've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. Share your comments and suggestions below. Our D line has crossed above the slowing line, which can be seen as an entry point for a trade. And when our D line crosses below the slowing line, it can be considered an exit point for trades or sell trades. Well, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.